Welcome here, people. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to produce this beautiful hibiscus bath soap. Hibiscus is actually Zobo leaf. My name is Ogechi Madokoma. In case you're meeting me for the first time, let's see some of the benefits of hibiscus leaf to the skin before we dive in. So here is rich in antioxidants, natural exfoliation, deep cleansing and pore refining. It hydrates your skin and moisturize and helps to retain moisture. It also brightens and evenly tune your skin. So let's jump right in. So I used my Zobo leaf. What I did was to soak it in hot water. You have various ways to incorporate this leaf in your soap. You can either grind the leaf and add it as powder, sieve it and add it as powder. You can also add it to your oils and allow your oils to extract that color and benefits before using it, or you can soak it with water. So here I soaked my own with hot water. So but note that when you're soaking with hot water, remember to discount that water from your lye solution water. From the water you want to use for your lye solution, remember to reduce the water you use in soaking your Zobo leaf, or else you have too much water in your soap. So here I am, I'm measuring my oil. I'm actually using palm oil. I'm trying to open your eyes to what is possible. You don't do so make soap with just PKO palm oil and the oils we know. This palm oil actually contains, it's actually made from palm oil, and if you go to your soap calculator, you see palm oil there, so you can enter it there. So here I'm using 3 oils. I'm using my palm oil, I'm using my coconut oil, and I'm also using castor oil, a little bit of castor oil. In every soap you're making, ensure you don't add more than 20% of castor oil. In fact, some say 10% to your soap, because it's a very, very soft oil. So this is one of the soap that we produced in our bath soap series. I just completed a bath soap series where I taught my students how to produce over 10 different types of bath soap. This is one of the soap we did there. If you know you want to know more, you can send me a WhatsApp message and join that class. I'll also be leaving a link on how to join the class in the description. So just click and join the class. You'll learn how to produce various bath soaps and also how to formulate your own recipe using the soap calculator and also the saponification value method. So I've measured my oils, and here's my lye solution. Like I said, I've discounted the water I used in soaking my Zobo leaf for my lye solution. So please take note so that you don't have too much water in your soup. Please, if you're liking this video, please like it. Just practicalize that like. Just give me a thumbs up, a thumbs up, a thumbs up. Or please subscribe so that you get more value from this channel. I'm sieving my Zobo leaf because actually I soak it, I'm sieving it. And that is my, let me call it my Zobo solution now, because I've soaked it in hot water and I have sieved. So just watch me as I perform this magic. So that is a Zobo solution. I added it to my oil. But another better way to do this, you can actually incorporate it in your butter. Because what I noticed is when I added the light solution, the color changed. So you can incorporate it in your butter. It will help keep the color. But what I did here, I'm adding my essential oil. I'm using rose hip essential oil. It smells so good. So that is my oils, my Zobo solution, and my essential oil. So when I added the light solution, you'll notice what happened. But to make it better, you can add your Zobo solution after your butter, or you can add it, soak it in your oils, or you can also add a little bit of kaolin clay. Kaolin clay will help step down the pH of this lye, because the lye is still very, very fresh, and help retain your color. So these are the 3 ways you can do. Either add it to your butter after you have mixed your lye and your oil, then add it to your butter, or add your kaolin clay to help stabilize the pH and then retain the color. Also add it to your oil, as in soak it in your oils. So here we are mixing our soap. Is coming out very, very beautiful. You just mix until it is You can see soap making is fun. I enjoyed. In fact, I was just making videos back to back in this bath soap series. So I enjoyed myself. It was fun. If you learn how to make soap, it is fun. So I'm adding a little bit of red color because I want it to retain that color. But if you want your soap to be all natural, I don't want any artificial color, like I said, incorporate your Zobo solution after you've added your lye solution to your oil. Just add it to the batter, then the color will say, or add a little bit of kaolin clay. It will help retain the color. So here I added a little bit of red color to make that Zobo color very, very prominent. If you know you want to know more, you want to learn how to produce different type of bath soap. We did different types of bath soap like activated charcoal soap, goat milk soap, different soaps, over 10 soaps, and I will still be doing more. Then send me a WhatsApp message now saying I want to join your bath soap class, or you can click the link in the description and you join. That link will take you directly to the class. The class is on Telegram, is recorded, and I also have text. If you know me, you know how I teach. I always teach you with text and with video, and I don't just teach and leave you. I'm there to answer all your questions. So our soap is ready. Please, if you're loving this video, please, I beg you, give me a like. It won't take you anything. Please just say thank you by just clicking that like button. It will help YouTube to show it to more persons that needs to see this video. And please, if you want more values like this, consider to subscribe to this channel as I load you with value overload here weekly. Please subscribe, please like, and also share these videos to your friends, to your loved ones, as making this simple soap at home will help them save costs and also help to treat different types of skin diseases, and also help to retain moisture. To help, it will leave your skin hydrated and also feeling refreshed. Here I'm tapping it to ensure that there is no air trapped in my soap. If air is trapped in your soap, you see when you bring it out, you start noticing holes in your soap. So you just have to tap so that the soap settles in very well, and to make sure all this air in the soap has escaped. Are you liking this video? Can you see what we are doing here? We use Zobo leaf here, and then palm oil, which is palm oil. Palm oil is made from palm oil. So I'm showing you what is possible. So you can see, yes, you can make soap with actually any oil. Anything called oil, you can make soap. Just go to soap calculator, run it through it, and then you get your exact formulation. Or you can join my bath soap class to learn more. I'll be leaving a link to join that class in the description. Or you can just send me a WhatsApp message on the number you're seeing on the screen, just saying, I want to join your bath soap class, and I'll give you the details. You enjoy it. You enjoy it. It's fun. We did about 10 soaps or more, and I'll still be doing more, and I'll be adding. Once you're there, you're there. You just register once and you're there for as long as you want. So just consider joining. Consider joining, and you'll not regret you did. So here I'm trying to just dress our soap very well in the mold. So we got 3 bars here, but what I did with the last cavity was that I added another soap there just to fill it up. That was the soap you saw that was not very, very smooth, because it was from a completely different soap, but I added it when these ones were almost drying, so it was not properly dried. So here is our soap. I love soap making. It's fun. See, palm oil is made from palm oil. You will find that in the soap calculator. So here comes our so beautiful soap. Can you see? Yes, so palm oil and Zobo leaf. I use 3 oils here: palm oil, coconut oil, and castor oil. Can you see how beautiful this soap is? Why are you not liking this video now? Are you not liking it? Please like it now. Look at my soap. So beautiful. Please like it. This is the fourth one I said I added another soap. And I added it when these ones were almost drying. It's not properly dried. But look at our Zobo soap. Zobo hibiscus bath soap. Can you see how beautiful it is? Please like this video now. Please like it now. Encourage me with your like, and also just comment, I love this soap. Also tell me one thing you like about the soap. Just tell me one thing in the comment. I'll be reading. Just what is the one thing you like about the soap? Just comment. And what other soap would you want to see me do in on this channel so that you learn from it. Please, but if you want to know more, just join my bath soap class. Thank you so much for watching, and ensure you subscribe.